Welcome to Tech Unlocked. Today, we're exploring the roadmap to mastering cloud computing in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a newcomer, this guide will help you navigate the dynamic world of cloud computing. Let's dive into how you can build a successful career in this ever-evolving field. Cloud computing is revolutionizing how businesses operate. Instead of relying on local servers, companies are shifting to remote, on-demand servers, paying only for what they use. This shift is a game changer in 2024, with more organizations integrating cloud services into their infrastructure. Understanding this transformation is crucial for anyone looking to thrive in tech. The cloud computing landscape is dominated by three giants: Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, or GCP. As you embark on your cloud journey, mastering one of these platforms is essential. Each offers unique features, so choose the one that aligns with your career aspirations and start building your expertise. Before diving into cloud platforms, it's vital to grasp the fundamentals. Focus on computer networking and operating systems. Learn about routing, IP addresses, and virtualization. Set up a virtual machine using AWS's free tier to gain hands-on experience. Practical knowledge in these areas will lay a strong foundation for your cloud computing career. While not mandatory, learning a programming language can greatly enhance your cloud computing skills. Python, TypeScript, and Golang are excellent choices. These languages will help you design efficient solutions and deepen your understanding of cloud platforms. Consider them as tools to expand your capabilities and improve your problem-solving skills. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to choose a cloud service provider. Whether it's AWS, Azure, or GCP, start by exploring their free tiers. Deploy web applications, utilize services like EC2 for computing and S3 for storage. This hands-on practice will give you a competitive edge and prepare you for real-world challenges. Certifications can significantly enhance your resume. Begin with an associate-level certification to establish your credentials. As you gain experience, pursue advanced certifications like architect-level ones. However, remember that certifications are just the beginning. Practical skills and real-world experience are what truly set you apart in the industry. Cloud computing offers diverse career paths. You might start as a cloud engineer and later specialize as a cloud administrator, architect, or even transition into DevOps. The possibilities are vast, and it's all about finding your niche. Explore different roles, gain experience, and choose a path that aligns with your interests and strengths. Success in cloud computing is tied to your skills and dedication. The tech industry rewards those who continuously learn and adapt. Start building your skill set today and aim high. With determination and hard work, you can achieve great things in this field. Keep learning, keep exploring, and reach for the stars. That's it for today's video. We hope this roadmap helps you kickstart your cloud computing journey. Keep learning, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.